Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and this is an oracle deck called Dream Wisdom, and it obviously works on the concept of your dream state, so lucid dreaming. It's 46 cards on a guidebook by Greg Mayer and Heather Taylor Zimmerman. Sorry. So there's a big book with it, and here are the cards. Let's see what it says on the box. So the box is magnetic. What does it say on the back? Created by a psychologist, artist, and a psychiatrist. It will help you harness your dreams for personal growth and healing, as well as understand the language of the soul as it appears in your dreams. Designed for dream contemplation. Sorry, I moved the camera. The 46 full color cards feature evocative art and therapeutic guidance to help engage all parts of the brain. The cards might definitely need that. The cards explore common dream plots, settings, feelings, and figures, as well as feature a group of teaching cards with recommendations for remembering dreams, in inducing lucid dreams, which is a form of dreaming, and keeping healthy sleep routines. The deck can be used to incubate a specific dream topic, gain insight into your current psychological state, and better understand and interpret your dreams. For therapists and healers, the cards can also help you work with clients' dreams and can be used to activate the unconscious. So let's have a look at the cards. We've got this very, comprehensive, large book. You've got at the beginning of it, obviously the introduction, so you'll understand what the concept is and how it all works. Spreads, and then you go straight into the cards. So there's a lot of information here. This will call to, if you're fascinated by dreams, and I remember a few years ago, I used to be, what does that mean? If you've dreamt that, then, I think we all kind of go through that stage of being really curious about dreams, because it's the opportunity for our higher self to be able to impart messages. So they are extremely, and I've had dreams before where I've, seen things that may come. So it's really an amazing state. And when we meet our loved ones that have passed before us, it's just a wonderful, wonderful topic. And here you have some experts that will share this deck with you. So that's the book. Let's take a look at the cards. So we've got a couple of tutorial things here. Bringing dreams to life. So that's recording and exploring your dreams, healthy sleep, some instruction cards, creating dream art, active imagination, dream incubation, and lucid dreams. Yeah, remember that lucid dreaming is a spiritual practice, not a game or hobby. So these cards are really good quality. They're lovely. We've got a moth, haven't we? A moth in the moon. So let me take you through these. Now, as I always say, if I go too quickly, please control the speed at which I'm talking or going through these on your settings in YouTube. There's a helicopter going over. I don't know if you can hear it. Or no, it's not a helicopter. It's one of these small planes. Very brave. It's quite windy out there today. Very colourful, aren't they? Now, as with all oracle decks, if this calls to you, then it's for you. I always feel that oracle decks, that's an amazing card, isn't it? I'm going to have a look and see what that means in a minute, because that's talking to me. Love this. Do you love this? Let me know what you think in the comments. We don't really want to ponder on that. I think I'm moving the camera too much, sorry. Desert, dream time. I remember this is very much like there was a movie once. I think that Robin Williams was in it. Can you remember what it was? Can anybody tell me? It was a movie about, he was in a dream state, wasn't he? And it feels like this kind of colouring, this kind of art. It was actually quite odd. It wasn't for me. I'm afraid I'm a bit too, obviously lacking a bit on the intellectual side there. It went a bit above me. I can't remember what I walked on. I was like, oh my goodness. What was it called? Oh, me and names these days. Numbers. So I guess you could actually do some lucid dream where you go visit these, can't you? Oh my gosh, if I had a dream with a snake in it, I'm afraid I probably would wake up screaming. It's almost as much as spiders. Oh dear. I used to swim a lot in my dreams and fly. Oh, teeth. I'm having one of my verbal diarrhea episodes again. Sorry about that, guys. Right, 40 witches. So those are the cards. What did I say I wanted to have a look at? It was cars, wasn't it? I'm going to have a look and see what that might say. So say, for example, if I pulled the card, if I did a daily card pull, I don't think that's how you're meant to be using them, but you can. You can use them for whatever you want to. You're the boss. Cars. Let's see if we can find it in the book. Very helpful if there was an index, is there? There will be, of course there will be. Cars, 53. It's going to tell me I need a holiday. Would that be nice, wouldn't it? 53. The dream of cars is to see a vision of how you, specifically your ego, moves through the world. The illusion of freedom. Don't we all live in that at the moment? Cars offer speed and power and the illusion of freedom. They are intoxicating for the immature ego. Calm yourself down, Mr. Bookman. James Dean, who was successful as an actor at a very young age, embodied this archetypal adolescent hubris. I can never say that either. In both films and real life, he was a rebel without a cause. Yeah, that's what it is. That's me. Pulled over for speeding. Okay, so you get like cars different. It's just this whole piece on cars. So you got 3 pages on the card. So that's good, isn't it? And questions. What's that? Oh, 4 actually. Questions for reflection. What kind of car am I in the world? Am I driving or do I let others drive? What version of me is driving my car? In my dream, am I a safe driver or a reckless? It's really cool, isn't it? Yeah, I think my car's a bit broken today. I'm feeling rather tired. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for your time. Please do let me know what you think in the comment of this deck. I always like to know because obviously I stock them, so it's nice to know what reception they're getting. Okay, that's it. Thanks very much for your time. See you soon. Bye-bye.